Hello there, let's talk about three sounds of letter Y. First, we have to know letter Y have two rows. One is vowel, another one is consonant. When letter Y is a vowel, it has different sounds. One is E, another one is I. When letter Y at the end of two or two more syllables words, and in the unstressed syllable, it sounds E, like baby, happy. And this is quite often. About 78% we can meet this situation. Number two, when letter Y is between two consonants, like gym syllable, it sounds E. It's about 7% we can meet it. Okay, when letter Y at the end of one syllable words, like cry, it sounds I. Or in the stressed syllable, like comply, it sounds I. It's about 12%. Okay, the last sound of letter Y is Y, and also a consonant sound. When letter Y at the beginning of words, like yes, yellow, it sounds Y. It's about 3%. Of course, there's an easy way to remember the rule. You just need to remember the sentence. Yes, cry baby in the gym. Yes, cry baby in the gym. It will help you a lot to memorize the rule. Okay, got that?